how to make calls. Let's start with a call. If you'd like to call someone, you need to start with going to the phone app and make sure you're on the keypad option, which is this option here, that will allow you to type in the number of the person you want to call. So put in the area code, put in the number. Here we go. So phone number is in. I'm going to tap the green button that has a phone on it to initiate the call, and just give it a second. It will begin to dial the number. The call starts when you see this little dial begin to tick up. I can hit the speaker button here to make it louder.
Alert means you can live.
That's in case you don't want to hold the phone up to your ear. You just want to hold it out. It'll make the call louder. Put it on speaker. You can mute the call. You can hit keypad if you need to enter a combination. And when you're all done, hit the red button to end the call. Okay, next let's talk about how to answer the phone when a call is coming through. So I'm going to initiate a call, and let's talk about how to answer the phone. So here we go. Call is going to come through. Now, call that's coming through is a pop-up at the top of the screen. I can either tap the green button to answer the call, just tap, or I can tap the red button to decline the call. So let's decline it, and the call is over. Super easy. Now, here's the thing. The way the call is going to look is going to vary depending on if your phone is on, or the screen is on, or if it's off. Now, we just took a call and the screen was on, and you notice it came up as a pop-up at the top of the screen. Now, guess what? If the phone is not on, it's going to look a little different when the call comes through. Let's take a look right now. So if you notice, it's coming through a lot bigger now, and this screen works different. So I can't just tap on the buttons. I have to put my finger on the option and swipe or drag. So if I want to answer it, put my finger on the button and then drag. And that's how you answer the call. So a little different. I'm going to show it one more time. This time I'm going to decline the call and just show you again using that swipe gesture. So call is coming through. I don't want to answer it. I can simply put my finger on the red button and I can drag it, and that will decline the call. So that's what calls will look like when they come through, and now you're prepared for the different ways that calls will come through on your phone. If the video was helpful, make sure you bump that like button down below. Also, here is going to be a playlist of more videos to help you continue learning, and you'll find another great video here as well. Thanks for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.